In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video course in Systemi.io. To get started, head over to your System.io dashboard. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the Assets section in the navigation menu and click on it. Inside Assets, select Courses. This is where all of your existing courses are stored and managed. Next, choose the course you want to work on and open it. After that, click on the course module where your lesson is located. Modules help organize your content, so make sure you open the correct one before moving forward. Once you're inside the module, click on the lecture where you want the video to appear. This will take you into the lecture editor. From here, click on Elements. In the list of available elements, find the video element, then drag and drop it into the area where you want the video to be displayed. You can place it wherever it makes the most sense within the lesson layout, depending on how you want students to experience the content. After placing the video block, click directly on the video element to open its settings. You'll then need to choose a video type. Systemi.io gives you a few different options here, including direct link, custom embed, and upload file. The option you choose depends on where your video is hosted and how you want to add it. If your video is already hosted somewhere and you want to connect it using its web address, choose direct link. If you have embed code from another platform, you can use custom embed instead. And if you want to add the video directly from your device, select upload file. It's helpful to know these options so you can use the one that best matches your workflow. In this example, if you choose direct link, click into the URL field and paste the video link there. Make sure the link is correct and complete so the video loads properly in the lesson. A clean and working link will save you time and prevent playback issues later. Once everything looks good, click Save. This is the final step that applies your changes to the lecture, and that's it. Your video should now be added to your course lesson in Systemi.io. If you're building a full training program, it's a good idea to review the lesson afterward to confirm the video is positioned correctly and plays as expected. Taking a moment to double check your lesson can help create a smoother experience for your students.